Maquet PowerLED II ambient lighting provides surgical staff with the flexibility to choose between 6 different colors, depending on application. Ambient lighting can be used to limit glare effects on the monitor and improving contrast. It can also be used to create more welcoming illumination for the patient during pre-op and recovery stages of surgery. The ambient light can be activated from the light head keypad or from the touchscreen wall keypad using this icon. Keep on pressing the button to select the desired color. You can also adjust the ambient light intensity by pressing either the plus or the minus icons.